망갈리차 was developed in 19th century by crossbreeding European wild boar and Serbian pig. Hello everyone, this is YASONG and now I'm going to go to a 망갈리차 farm to see them.
Félve, és akkor mondja, hogy most megy el nyáron vagy hazon.
Yeah, és akkor, if you have any questions, just tell me and I can translate it day.
Holy shit!
Yeah, you can come closer. Go.
Wow.
Igen, mert ugye az van, tudod, hogy nyilván ezt tudjátok, hogy most már távol kell kiasztálni a újság nagyon. Látod, most vagy drága. Meg ugye...
Can I touch him?
Megsimogathatja őket a mennyit?
Hát meg tudja, de ezek azért az vannak.
Persze. You can, but you're quite hard because they are, half white. And for that reason, if you can touch them, you can touch them, but because they are quite wild. But you can ride on them, you can. Go with ja igen, azt akartam mondani, hogy nagyon felmenni az munkának, hogy úgy azért egyesztő minőségű, de így természetesen. For the fresh one. So this is how they do it. Ahogy írták vagyok, jól vagyunk, értékezünk előre. Sokkal végén már is természetesen. És akkor amúgy most milyen, tehát akkor azt mondta, hogy egy kicsit valamennyit kaphat abból, hogy ne 2-3 évig tartson, elérik a vágósot. It needs around 2 years when they reach 150 kilograms. With a normal, mik vannak ezek a Yorkshire félék, ezek a nagy dagadó hízó.
I mean the normal pig is just take 3 months, but it takes it.
Not normal, but you know these hybrids and what they're using in the industry. They're using some hybrids which are directly for getting so much weight in a short time, but the quality of the meat will be so bad for this reason. But in this case, Mangalica need at least 2 years to reach the weight to butcher them. You want to ride them? I'm just joking.
What they eat now? What's that?
Sorry?
That one. Is it corn? Like corn powder?
It was cooked corn and wheat and... Yeah, you can have it. You can have it.
Ebben ilyen nincsen se vitamin, se...
No any admixtures and no any artificial. It's just pure natural. That's why they're so happy. The Mangalica grows really slowly, and the body is just they're not using these nutritions. So the best thing is if you give the cheapest solution and the natural solution. There's a mix of some wheat and corn because they grow so slowly.
Why him try to dig something?
Eat something?
Dig
something.
Yeah.
Ja, igen, az a kérdés, hogy miért. Like every pig, it's just a nature of the pig.
Really?
Yeah, because they are always looking for something, for roots and because they eat everything, and this is in their instinct to dig. Yeah, they eat, of course, all the worms, nails, insects, everything they find because they are so close to the wild boar. They eat up everything. They eat soil also. It helps them to digest. So there are different color types. As you can see, that's the red one, the red head, and this is the blonde one. Now there are the white, the blonde one. Yeah, it's almost or nearly extinct. There were a black type, but there is not really. It's almost extinct, or maybe one or two pieces left. Only not here, but in the world.
In a word.
Yeah, and there is a mixed type, which is top is black and the belly part is white.
Because if they are young, they don't have much wool. If they grow more, then they have a wool like them.
Yeah, it's some. Yeah, again, but yeah, it's a summer season because in summertime, they have less hair, and every winter, just like the white animals, they are getting losing it because the summer is coming, and they're just dropping the wool.
This is a normal pig, right?
Yeah, it's not a normal pig, but it's a. Valaki ott megvasztatta. This is what I'm talking about when starting to lose the winter fur. This is how it looks like.
Hello.
Elméletileg az az, hogy megjön, a piacon van. Szerintem a fékülésben. Addig
She's a really old pig. Really, really old. She's on the run now, and she's really enjoying it.
Wow.
When I saw her last time, she was freshborn.
Really?
Yeah. When I saw her the last time, she was like this size.
Like 2 or 3 years before?
Yeah. She almost 4. Then it was 4 years ago. Yeah.
Megnyalja a kamerát.
Ott van egy másik, ott a fehér. You see that? This is that.